Z y la N.
Si hasta la luz se apaga sola, pégase, dale, baila ahora. Pa' soltarse un trago se toma. Esta noche no hay quien la coja. Y si decide quedarse conmigo, ven para que sea tú misma la testigo. Esto es pa' que veas que aún no lo olvido. Solo una cosa te pido, que si decide quedarse conmigo, ven para que sea tú misma la testigo. Esto es pa' que veas que aún no lo olvido. Solo una cosa te pido. Y dime que te dan tu ma y tu pa y en tu casa. Lo que hicieron fue una amenaza. Para te marqué, tu ma y tu pa y en tu casa. Lo que hicieron fue una amenaza. Si hasta la luz se apaga sola, pégase, dale, baila ahora. Pa' soltarse un trago se toma. Esta noche no hay quien la coja. Y si decide quedarse conmigo, ven para que sea tú misma la testigo. Esto pa' que
Alright, that was one of many variations, but that is the margarita that is served near the poolside, main pool, solarium area. It's our favorite. It's all on the sweeter side. You can definitely add in a splash of OJ to bring out that orange liqueur a little bit. Just got done cleaning up over there. I wanted to keep you all updated. Our next cruise is supposed to be on September 20th out of Vancouver with my mom and my dad for their 30th anniversary. But Jordan, keep this on the down low, doesn't know I'm taking her on a cruise April 21st out of LA. The Norwegian Bliss. She's always been on Royal Caribbean, and like I feel like I've set the bar a little too high because she's always been on like the Oasis class. So that's like where she started, and I'm in for some trouble because you really can't go up from there. It's just it is what it is. So we're gonna give the Norwegian Cruise Line a little love. If you like the video, by all means subscribe and like the video. Head over to 9 to 5 Cruisers over on Instagram and give us a follow. We have some good content. So until next video, we'll see you next time.